Okay, here's how to field strip a 1911 pistol. It's just one of those things that everybody should know how to do, because one day you're going to run into a 1911 pistol, or you're going to acquire one, and you're going to need to know how to field strip it. It's a real easy process. First thing you do is take the magazine out, make sure we're not loaded. Okay, gun's clear. We're going to put the safety on, turn it up, rest it on its bottom so that you can get to the plunger. What you have to do is push this plunger down, rotate the barrel bushing clockwise. You can do it with your thumb, but I found it's easier to do with like the corner of a little piece of wood or so. So we just put the corner right on the plunger, and you got to hold the plunger down because it's in spring pressure. Now we're going to rotate the bushing, carefully let the plunger up. There you go. I'm going to take the cap off, put that to the side. Now, here you go. Come down, take the safety off, because now you need to remove the slide. Here's the other side of the slide stop. Put your finger on it. Okay. Move the slide back until it gets to the takedown notch. It's the small notch. Now line that up with the slide stop and push from the other side on the slide stop with your finger, and when it gets in the right spot, it'll push right out. Okay, remove the slide stop, put it aside. Now your slide can come off. So just move the slide forward. Here's the whole frame of the gun. Okay, here we go. Take out the barrel plunger with the recoil spring. Now you can remove the barrel. Well, before you remove the barrel, you have to twist the bushing all the way to the other side, and you'll feel it has a little notch that you can remove the barrel bushing. Now the barrel will come out. The bushing has to come out for the barrel to come out. So there you go. It field strips into these components. So what you want to do is you want to look for a couple of things. You want to, this is the feed ramp of the gun, and it's built into the frame. You want to knock all the carbon off of there, run your finger across it to feel if it has any sharp spots. You know, you can always smooth that out, but make your feed ramp nice and shiny. Okay. A couple of places to look for and clean. You can see the barrel lugs down there. You want to take a nice toothbrush or something and scrub those out. Clean all the carbon and gunk out of there. Check the breech face, just right here. You know, knock all the brass. You're going to see a bunch of brass on there when you shoot the gun a lot. But here you go. It breaks down into frame, slide, barrel bushing, spring and plug, slide stop, and recoil spring plug. Okay, so to reassemble it, you do it exactly the same way. Okay, you're going to turn this upside down and get our barrel. Slide the barrel back into the gun, okay, until it engages with the lugs. Okay, now you're going to put barrel bushing back in, twist it clockwise. Okay, that'll hold the barrel in. Now here's your guide rod, and here's your recoil spring. If it separates, that's perfectly okay. When you put it back in, put the crimped end over the guide rod. Put the crimped end over the guide rod. Okay, the guide rod has a little rounded or notched side. That end goes down. So you just put your recoil spring in. I put the link up so that you can see it, because the slide stop has to go through the barrel link. It's easier if you do it upside down. Now you just put the frame onto the gun. Okay, turn it over. You have to get it so that the link is right in that hole. This is the only tricky part. Alright. Shake it a little bit. Alright. Looks like it. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to be careful and just not rake your slide stop across the frame of the gun. You'll make that idiot mark. But what you do is move it back here. Doesn't take down notch. Lift it up. Bring it over. And when it goes in, it'll just click in. When you get it lined up, just like that. Okay. Now that's in place. Put the safety back on so the slide won't move. Put the plug back over the spring. Put it back down. I like to use my little wooden piece on here. Again, push it down. Rotate your link. Okay, until it clicks in there. Take the safety off. Make sure she works. There you go. Easy breezy, how to field strip a 1911 pistol. See you next time.